how is Unity handling this?
Okay, so let's start with because digital,
what that means.
Yeah,
yes.
so digital twins is a very broad term, right? What the Orlando Economic Partnership, what their primary role is as an economic development organization is to attract new businesses to move to Orlando. And the way they do that today is if a company's looking at open up a new plant or a new office location, they look at lots of different locations, they gather lots of different data, and then typically they send a team of senior executives to go to different cities to actually see the locations. And they typically spend a day in each location. So they might go to Orlando, Houston, Austin, New York as an example.
Okay.
Today, the way the Orlando Economic Partnership does it is they provide them about 75 slide presentation of all the different data sets. I mean, they create very custom presentations for the company that's coming to look at Orlando.
Okay.
And then they drive around. Now, if you go from the west side of Central Florida all the way down to the Cape Canaveral, and then back up to Lake Nona and Osceola County, that's a lot of area to look at. And so what OEP was looking to do was to say, okay, first of all, we're the experience center of the world. We're the recognized hub of modeling and simulation in the theme park industry. Is there technology that we have right here that we can use to provide a different kind of experience?
That's smart.
Yeah. So the idea was, could they create a virtual tour for companies looking to relocate to Orlando? And that was the original idea. And then we collaborated with the OEP on what their vision was. And we looked at different technologies such as AR, VR, XR. And we decided to use a combination of LED wall technology and holographic projection devices.
Okay.
So it is an immersive experience, but it is not going to be one that you put goggles on.
I was going to ask if you're going to be doing any of that.
And it's going to be really one of the first of its kind. It's going to be very, very unique in how the content is presented.